Today, I'm going to show you how I use Sora 2 to create these scenes. Let's watch the first video. What do you think? For me, I feel like breakdancing. This update is simply amazing and it opens a whole new world of possibilities. Before now, most AI platforms struggled with body morphing, sometimes missing, melting, or merging together, especially during fast motion. But Sora 2 is a completely different game. So look closely. We have multiple camera angles, realistic movement, no morphing, no distortion. Even when she holds the helicopter, it looks so real. And by the way, I did not add any sound effect to this video. Sora 2 generated the perfectly synced sound effects automatically. And that's mind-blowing. Now, OpenAI announced Sora 2 about a week ago. At first, it was only available to a few selected testers in just 2 countries. Even now, you can't access it from OpenAI website unless you have an invite code. So, how did I get access? Well, OpenAI just released Sora 2 via API, which means you can access it through other AI platforms, and Higgsfield happens to be one of them. Thankfully, I already have a subscription there. Alright, let's see how I created that first scene. So, fire up Higgsfield in your browser. Once it opens, click on the video tab and select Sora 2. In the prompt box, type in your description. A quick tip: if you are not sure how to word your prompt, just pull up ChatGPT and ask it to refine the prompt for you. Most times that's what I do. Now here's the prompt ChatGPT gave me. A dark-skinned female assassin in a sleek black tactical suit runs across a dusty desert plateau at sunset. Blah 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 and blah. Now you can pause this video to read the full prompt or simply drop a comment and I will share it with you. So after imputing my prompt, I set the duration to 12 seconds. Mind you, if you have access to Sora 2 via the website, you can generate 15 seconds video. But if you are accessing it via other platform like Higgsfield, it's restricted to 12 seconds. And I don't know why they took out that 3 seconds. So once you are done imputing your prompt, you come down and you hit generate. It will cost you 29 credits. And that's how I made the opening clip. Next, I wanted to test dialogue generation. Yes, Sora 2 cannot generate characters speaking just like Google Video 3 or 1.2.5. So here's the key part of my prompt. A dark-skinned female assassin sits astride a black motorbike at night and says, "They can't stop me. It's ride or die." Now, if you want your characters to speak, make sure to put your dialogue inside quotation marks. Why? Because it helps Sora knows what lines belongs to your character. Then, I added another details. 6 Mercedes G-Wagons chasing her with alternating close-ups and tracking shots. So this will tell Sora to give us different camera angles. So once I'm done imputing my prompt, I hit generate. Now, let's watch the video.
They can't stop me. It's ride or die.
Now what do you think? This has changed the AI filmmaking space totally. It really makes me wonder how the competitors will respond. Next, I tested the reference image feature to see if Sora could maintain character consistency. I uploaded this image and added my prompts, but I got an error. I tried it about 2 or 3 times and I still got the same error message. So this is my take on this. I don't know if this option of reference image is directly from Sora or it's from Higgsfield. But let's wait and see how all of this will unfold in the weeks to come. On a side note, if you want to learn how to create images like this for free, you can check out my Nano Banana tutorial. I'll leave the link in the description. So let's say the prompt for the next scene I created. A female chef in a clean white uniform saying, "Welcome to Ada's kitchen. Today I will show you how to cook correct fufu and indomie." Yes, that's a good combination. Then her phone buzzes, she chuckles and says, "Na my mama again," and walks off camera smiling. Now this is the prompt. Let's see what Sora 2 gave us.
Welcome to Ada's Kitchen. Today I will show you how to cook correct fufu and indomie. Yes, that's a good combination. Huh? Now my mama again.
What do you think? Well, she delivered the lines, but the accent and pronunciation of Fufu and her name Ada were totally off. And she walked out of frame mid-line, but the body language, hand movement, and realism were spot on. No weird motion or morphing, and that is a huge win. Now I'll show you 2 more scenes before I wrap this video up. The last scene is a fight scene, and this is the prompt for the next scene. A male character operative dressed in sleek black tactical gear infiltrates a dimly lit industrial facility at night. So blah 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 and blah, he's supposed to crawl to where the briefcase is and pick up the briefcase. But this was the result I got. Now, the reason why I'm sharing this is just so that we know that Sora 2 is not perfect. And we don't expect it to be perfect because it's basically just less than 3 weeks old, but it will definitely keep getting better. So as you can see, the character was supposed to crawl to the case and pick it up, but it stopped midway and improvised its own motion. I generated it twice. They both had different results, but they did not fully comply with the prompt I imputed. Okay, so let's see the fight scene.
Who has the balls to go first?
I can hear your thoughts. It's not perfect, yes. It looks more like a rehearsal than an actual fight. But remember, Sora 2 is just 2 weeks old, so we'll give it time. Nonetheless, I love the dynamic camera cut. From the high angle shot to a close-up shot, it all feels cinematic. Also, I love the fact that she started talking on a close-up shot and then it cuts to another camera angle while she continues talking, and the face remains the same. This is mind-blowing. Sora 2 is truly a game changer. They have completely moved the goalpost, and this innovation will force every other AI platform to level up. The physics, motion, and prompt accuracy are incredible when you compare it to other platforms. I wish it supported reference images and higher resolution. But even at this stage, no other AI video tool comes close. So, what do you think? Will Sora 2 becomes the go-to platform for AI filmmakers? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this was helpful, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Because apparently, the YouTube algorithm has trust issues. Your comment adds the human touch it needs and makes it push the video to more creators like you. My name is Osacraft. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.